Hello, welcome to my video today. Today I'm going to just go over another tutorial on Tensorflow, a convolutional generative adversarial network. So generative models can create, this one creates images from data, and so it can create these images from the data, from this MNIST data set, which is the hand-drawn numbers, which is like this data set's used in, the original or some of the early tutorials that you do. Shows a series of images produced by generator is trained for 50 epochs. The images begin as random noise and then increasingly resemble handwritten digits over time. So I'm going to try this tutorial and see how it goes, I guess. Yeah. I'm not sure if this, how it's going to go, but we'll see. Just see how it goes. One problem at a time. So I'm in my Docker container, and I made a new directory, gone. And I'm going to make a file. Let's call it scan, do again, lowercase. Okay, insert, import Tensorflow ISTF. And okay, it has some things to do. Pip install images -q image IO. So I'm trying out this kind of code along, work along with me. This is the first time going over this tutorial, but just kind of a slower, longer type video and see how it goes. Let me know if you like it or not, I guess. Okay, Q just silenced it, I guess. And then another one, install. I don't like doing the Q. I like to see what's happening. Git as HTTPS github.com TensorFlow docs. Yeah. Is it working? I don't know. Running command. Yeah, I guess it's working. Take a look at the website again. Yeah. Hopefully the video's not too long. I haven't even done, like I said, I haven't done this one before, but I thought it might be fun to see what kind of stuff happen, like, some problems that arise. It's always, you never know. Still doing it. This is exciting. I guess it's, especially with 50 epochs, it's going to take a while too, so maybe I can edit some of the stuff out, I guess. Not so bad. Not so bad, not so bad. There we go. That one's working. That one's doing something. Failed. Oh, okay. I'll just keep going and see if I have to fix that later. And import glob, import image, IO, import matplotlib dot p plot t import numpy smp import os import pil Tensorflow paras import layers import time from Python. Oops. Import display. And then this is where I get the data. See if it works, I guess. Train images. Yeah, so I'm trying to make this, get this working, and then use it on some data I have for a project. But like I said before, I'm having a hard time applying real data to these tutorials. So I'm hoping if I get something working and then just make the data we have exactly like the data in the tutorial, and then it might work, you know. Who knows? Let's try read. I guess I haven't made it on it. Python can doubtful it works. Well, didn't crash, but it's supposed to, you see the, here it's supposed to load the data from the API. But whatever, I guess. See what happens. Guess I'll just crush some code and see what else happens. So train images, train images, train another images to train. Let's type float to train 1.7.5. I guess I wish I knew more what was going on to kind of explain it, but it's the whole point of doing this is to learn what's going on. But just trying a new style of video, see what happens. 1, 2, 3, batch size 2, 5, train data set. Data set from tensor shuffle buffer size batch size. Oh, that's a bunch of code now. Oops. Def generator model. Model layers 7 times. Oh, this is actually a capital U. Okay. Okay. Change that up. Save it. Model. padding, sim, use dice. Insert, shape. These layers are a bit repetitive, but that's okay. Good typing experience or practice. One more. Tan H. Get your tan H. Hot and ready. Hot and ready. Search model.output shape none 28 1 turn model. And then there's something. Couple more lines, and then I can test something, which is nice. I like to have a bit of feedback instead of like I could be doing everything wrong right now. So let's see if it works. And then normal. Generative image. False. It has a show function, but in Docker it doesn't work like a pop-up. So I just save it and then I bring it back to my local directory, and then I can see if it works. There might be a better way to do it, but that's the way I do it. That's the way I do it. It works. I know it's gonna work. Oh, I gotta save it as something. don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't think this is gonna work, really. I don't think that's right. Don't think that's right. Don't think that is right. That's what it says it is, though, but whatever. Give it a try. Give it a tree. Guess I can see if there's any other noticeable errors. Nothing really. It sure does. It has no attribute to save fig. I think I just put the inputs wrong, though. Oh, I'm gonna win. I'll just try what it has in here, and if it works, then that's good. Show edited image, because this could be a little different. Like, because if you do PLT.show, like with brackets, like a function, if you do PLT.save fig, it works. So this imshow is probably something different. Gray. So let's see if I can find that. So I have this here. I don't know if it worked or not. Well, I think I'm gonna take a break for now and have some food and tackle it a bit later. So, bye for now. Hello, welcome back. I worked on the tutorial again today. Took a little break, and the part I got here. This is in the Google Colab on their on the Tensorflow website. But here, all I had to do was I was trying to save it with this function, but if you just go PLT save, and I was doing safe, so classic Mystic fig, and then image dot png, yeah, and then it saved, and oh, I should bring it up actually. Good chinkin. Yeah, and then I was able to get the feedback, which is always nice. And then I went through a couple of other lines, and so I got this really rough, only one layer or whatever it is from it's not in this part, but anyway, so that's how I solved that. Right now, it's working, but it's taking quite a while. It's been nearly 2 hours, and it's on 9 epoch, and it's supposed to be 50. So I'll probably leave it on all night and check it tomorrow, and then here it should. Right now I'm. Right now we're here. So this is what it should do, and that's pretty cool for me. But it has a bit more content, and then it creates a GIF of it. But I don't really care that much. I think creating this is pretty good for me. I mean, we'll see what it creates, I guess. But yeah, so I got stuck, and then took a break for the day, and then I figured out my mistake of safe instead of save. Classic English mistake. But yeah, now it's just loading up, and I thought I would do a little update, and then I guess I'll see what output's like. I guess it'll be tomorrow, I bet. But anyways, yeah, let's see how how it turns out. Yeah. Hello, welcome back. I finished it, and it worked sort of. I closed it, and then this is the next day, so I didn't film. But it was took 2 hours to do 10 epochs, and then it said killed. And I don't have the like an NVIDIA graphics card or anything like that, so I don't have a proper hardware for it. So that's definitely limiting factor. But so I made 2 images, or no, I made 11 images. I just exported them from Docker, but it was supposed to make 50. And so this is the first one, and see, it's pretty rough. And then this is my last one, the 11th one, which is better, but it's not great. And then I'll post this link to this tutorial, and so the code was all worked for me. Nothing particularly tricky there. So that was nice. So it's supposed to look like this after 50 epochs, which looks pretty good. But I mean, like I said, I know my computer doesn't have the graphics processor for it, so that's definitely my limiting factor. But I'm glad it worked. Other than that, and I didn't care to keep going on it. But the only thing I did do different. So this one saves an image at each epoch, and so I had 11 of them. I only imported 2, but then I saved another one because it says to do show, but since I'm in Docker, so I just did This is what I was saying before. Like that, and then I probably just took this out, I guess, because I didn't need it. It doesn't work in Docker anyways. So it saved one in each thing, or each epoch, and then one final one. And my final one is the same as the 11th one, because it's the final one, obviously. But pretty cool, because if I can get working with that with real data and something that could be very interesting and creative to generate it, so it's a good one. So yeah, I'll put a link for this tutorial. Like I said, everything worked pretty well. I guess, like, for me, the hardest part was getting TensorFlow installed on a working environment, and that's where I used Docker, and I have a deep learning textbook, and it suggests Linux or Mac, but not Windows. So that's why I was able to. It's possible in Windows, but I just was so much easier just to get it set up on Docker, because I already had Docker set up. So that's the biggest. And once it, the loading their data is pretty easy. So, anyways, I think that's about it for that. And till next time, bye for now.